In this video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange appointment types on Acuity Scheduling. In order to do this, first head over to acuityscheduling.com. It's actually from Squarespace. Head over and click on the login option right there in order to log in, or you can also click on this get started option in order to get started or create an account. On my case, let me head over and log in using my actual email. Just input right here your email and save it. Now in there, you should be able to see in here your Acuity Scheduling dashboard. So head over next to your appointment types, and in here you can see this. We have this one and this one. We have consultation and one-on-one. Now in there, you can just click and drag on an appointment in order to change its position. So for example, you can head over and create a new types of service or change its actual position right there. So for example, in this case, let's click and drag it, and as you can see, it's been changed right there. If you want to actually move appointment types between categories, you can click on a specific appointment type, click on edit, and then from in there, once you have opened it, just scroll down, and in here we have the category. Click on this, and you can either create a new category on this or add it into another one. So here are some key considerations. So in order to rearrange appointment types on your Acuity, you need to make sure that you have a computer for drag and drop rearranging. This functionality is typically not available on a phone or tablet, so make sure for that. Now, if you group your appointment types into categories, the categories will appear in alphabetical order, and you can use the drag and drop method to order items within those categories as well. The order that items appear in my Acuity account is the same order as the actual clients will see them, so take note of that as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.